Hello friends and neighbors. Gonna get some measurements around here. Let's see what we got here. Got my measurement going. I don't know if you can see the laser over there. Alright, we got 23.3 inches, or 23 feet, 0.30. So, it's a 24-foot building. It's crossed here. I got to get myself some beams for the second floor and some other lumber. And then I also got to calculate for stairs to go in that corner there. The stairs will go in that corner right up there. They'll start down here, go up to a landing, and then end up by the window up there at the top. All right, everybody have fun, hike safe.